This is the brand new Oukitel WP56, a rugged phone built for the outdoors with some crazy specs including a 16,000 mAh battery, a 108 megapixel camera and a 128dB speaker. It can play music underwater, which is super cool. Yeah, sounds wild already. Well, this is the box of Oukitel WP56 phone and this is a 5G. Inside the box you will find the phone itself. On the second layer there are some paperwork and warranty information. Under that there is a 45-watt fast charger and Type-C charging cable, and that's pretty much. It's simple and clean, but I like the packaging. Now let's talk about the build and design. The phone's body is seriously tough. It's certified military standard tough plus IP68 and IP69K rated. So yeah, it's fully dustproof, waterproof and ready for drops and all kinds of adventures. You have got your volume rockers on the side and power off button doubles as a fingerprint sensor, which works pretty fast. There's also face unlock, so either way it's easy to get into the phone. The SIM tray supports either dual SIMs or one SIM and a micro SD card, which is nice for flexibility. Now here's something cool. There's customizable side key, single press, double press or long press. You can set these to launch your favorite apps like camera, flashlight or even SOS. Super useful for outdoor use. As for audio, it has two microphones, one on the top and one on the bottom. And charging port supports 45-watt fast charging, which we will get into in a bit. This phone is a beast. Guys, this speaker is loud. 128 decibels, that louder than a chainsaw. It can play music underwater, which is super cool.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way.
And you can actually record videos underwater using this side key. So whether you are into hiking, diving or just a bit clumsy, this phone's got your back. Okay, now let's talk main features, and there's a lot to go over. This is basically a power bank disguised as a phone. With the 16,000 mAh battery, you are getting multiple days of usage even with 5G on. And with 45-watt fast charging, it doesn't take forever to fill it up. Also, it supports 18-watt reverse charging, so you can literally charge your earbuds, watch or even another phone with this. It is approved for airplane travel too. No worries at the airport. So one of my favorite features, this thing has a super bright camping light built in on the back. So while video recording you can also turn on. So no need to carry a flashlight anymore. It's light up the dark like crazy. And about the storage and RAM, you are getting up to 36GB of RAM. That's 12GB physical plus 24GB virtual and 512GB storage, expandable up to 2TB. This is basically a rugged phone with a flagship level storage. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset. So you have got 5G, Android 15, Wi-Fi 6, NFC and global bands. So no matter where you go, you are getting a 6.8 inches LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate and Corning Gorilla glass protection. So it's super smooth and durable. You can see there's a front camera which is 32 megapixel with Sony IMX616 sensor. Great for selfies and video calls, and I like the front camera video and photo quality. And the back, a massive 108 megapixel main sensor. Not just tough but takes genuinely solid photos for a rugged phone. As you know, this rugged phone has the camping light on the back, so while video recording you can turn on just on one button. There's a customized button, so I customize one click to turning on the camping light. So while video recording you can use it, so you don't need to bring any external lightning, so you can use this making videos, filming videos, filming vlogs in night time. This is perfect. Now I'm recording the video from the back camera of Oukitel WP56. This time I have picked 4K because it offers the 4K video quality, that is the max, and still it does not show the FPS. However, this is 4K. The result looks pretty nice. Let me show you the zooming result. There are some building, so let's try from here. This is 1x, and this is 2x. Nice. This is 4x. Well, to be honest, I said I don't expect good video quality from the rugged phone, but this offers pretty nice back camera and the front camera video quality. Now I'm recording the video from the front camera of Oukitel WP56. Well, I don't expect a lot in the video quality from the rugged phone, but this video quality looks pretty nice. I'm walking slowly, and the video quality you will get, the maximum you will get 1080p. It does not show the FPS, but this is 1080p. It does not offer you 4K. However, the 1080p result looks pretty nice. You can see the color grading and very nice. Not bad. One more thing, while recording the video from the front camera, you can zoom in. So this is 1x from the front camera. I'm recording the video and now you can zoom in. Wow. It can be zoomed till 4x. Wow. Oukitel WP56 comes in two colors, classic black and the bold red. As you can see in this video, I'm using this red bold color and I personally love the red. It just pops, and all this for just $299.99. For the features you are getting, that's honestly a steal. So that's it for the unboxing and the first review of the Oukitel WP56. If you are someone who always outdoors, work in tough environment, or just want a rugged phone that can handle anything, this could be the one. And let me know what you think in the comments, and would you get this over a regular smartphone? Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the video. Well, I put the link of the website where you can purchase in the description. Check it out that. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.